guys, welcome back. And yes, I'm doing it again. Also, soon it's 1 minute crafting, and I hope I can push to where I can start the 1 minute crafts. But okay. Okay, 1 minute crafting started. This is very happy. No, I don't wanna. Okay. Oh my gosh. It's getting faster than ever. I've never seen crafts done so fast. Oh yeah, it's the 1 minute crafting set. Oh, I thought it was just 9 minutes long. Hey. Oh my god. Oh my. I'm about to reach the next level. Oh my gosh. I will. Oh wait. During that, I'll really quickly check. Okay, claimed the gems. Yay! I have so many points. Yay! I have so many gems. It's about to get 500. It's about to get. Okay. Sorry for all these cap puns going on. No, not fires. Don't I want fires? Okay, I wanted to make a firestone. Okay. Please. Oh my god, why? Will I get a clue? Oh my gosh. Oh my. Will I? Okay, just. I won't. I stopped being so dramatic. Anyways. Sorry for my weed. Yeah. I don't know why I'm waiting in the shop, but enjoy this view. It's gonna end soon. In a few seconds. Wow. I love this game. I actually love it. I love this game because I like cat games, and I have 2 IRL cats, okay? And I made this a discovery when people said that cat game was... Oh my gosh. Oh my. Okay, time to... Oh. Oh my god. Yeah! Woohoo! No. Thanks. Ooh, I like that. What? So many coins? Wow. Okay. Thank you guys for watching.